bus.
I thought I saw baby Sam.
Where?
No, I thought I saw baby Sam.
Ah, no, he's not it because he is going to Barugu on the other side, and we are on this side going to Tacloban. We're on the highway side and they're on the provincial road side. And the rain, imagine that the rain is so strong and it's summer. I thought summer would always be hot with beach and the sun, but look at this. Summer is rainy. You go to the beach when it rains. Does that work?